Dear traders, welcome to another video of FX Mentor. So guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the most powerful 1 minute trading strategy that you can use for gold and the currency pairs. Okay guys, why this strategy is so powerful, because it has less signals as compared to other indicators. I will tell you about this indicator at the end of the video or maybe into the mid of the video, but you need to watch this video fully so that you can understand that how I am going to tell you about the usage of this indicator. Right now guys, you can see we have received a sell signal on gold, and that was a very good chance to sell the gold, and you can see that the market has went into the downward direction on the 1 minute time frame, but later on it moved up, but we have not received any kind of buy signal till now, right? Okay, so let me show you that how it's working, because the signals ratio is very less but overall very perfect. Like for example, if we talk about Euro USD 1 minute time frame, here we have received a buy signal, and guys, you can see the most powerful trend was into the occurrence, and the market has went straight into the upward direction. So that was very good, because for example, if we were getting some sell signals here, then we have avoided those signals, and you can see the market straight went up, and at the top it has provided you with the sell signal. And guys, now look what happened. Again, the market is into the downward direction. So we can say that after a significant upward move, we have received the sell signal from the indicator. That's very good, because in the middle of this area you cannot see that we have any kind of a random signals, right? Okay, definitely guys, you know that this is Forex and anything can happen into the Forex market. So there is no 100% indicator into the Forex market. However, we can achieve up to 90-95% results by using these smart indicators. Okay, now let's have a look on USD JPY. Okay, on USD JPY, we have received the buy signal, but unfortunately the market was into the down direction and it completely went down. So guys, how I would like to do the trading in that case? So guys, let me tell you one thing. Basically, when I trade, I normally prefer to trade with the trend. Sorry, I should not pick that arrow. I should pick the trend line so that I can explain you. So for example, this line, this will work. So you can see the market is basically pushing into the downward direction. So personally guys, I would not like to buy any kind of a pair that is into the downward direction, so better to skip those signals, right? So it was only about the case on USD JPY. Let's see the other pairs on 1 minute. Okay, USD CAD buy signal, kind of a satisfied signal till now. Okay, you can see that we do not have any much signals. Okay, on Great Britain Pound JPY buy signal, that was not satisfied. However, the sell signal went very nicely into the downward direction. So please make sure that you are not going to use this indicator on other time frames, otherwise you will be getting very less signals and you will get bored. So please make sure that you must be using it on the 1 minute time frame, right? Okay, AUD JPY, as you can see, we have only one signal, that was sell, and now you can see the market went down. That's completely a sweet appearance. Okay, sell on Great Britain Pound USD, you can see the market is down, so very good. Let's see if there is any signal previously. Yes guys, now look at here. This is kind of a beauty, because even on 1 minute you can do some sort of swing trading, because you can you know that the ratio of the signals is very less. Now what happens, buy a signal and after the downward move and then up again. So maybe this indicator is quite smart into the long-term direction as well. So you will do practice with this indicator and you will learn more that how this indicator works. My job is to provide you with the indicator and give you the proper understanding. Okay, now look at Euro JPY 1 minute buy, very good, sell, very good, and right now we don't have any kind of a sell signal again. Great Britain Pound CAD is kind of a bit, I think, slow here, so let's see. Okay, on Great Britain Pound CAD, sell not satisfied, buy was very good. Okay, fine. So you can see guys, on the most of the cases you can see the indicator is working. So this indicator is very good for those traders who have patience into the Forex trading. I mean, if you are not much aggressive, if you love to trade few signals and you want to be more accurate results, so this is kind of a stuff for you, suitable for you. So look at here, sell, it was good. I mean, this is a very nice gap if you have taken your profits. NZD USD. So guys, even it's giving you a chance to make money even on the slow pairs like Euro AUD. This is kind of a bit slow pair. Okay, buy signal perfect, sell still running, so no issues. Great Britain Pound AUD, let me see. Okay, sell is running, buy was certainly very nice. NZD JPY, let's have a look on this one. Okay, sell fine, buy fine. So guys, I think I personally like this indicator, and I feel that this should be in your copy. I mean, they should be in your indicator favorite list. So guys, please add this indicator, because I will be reviewing the best indicators available on the trading view so that you can get the benefit from your trading, right? Okay, so now let's talk about that from how you can download this indicator. Go to the indicator section, search arrow buy sell signal for the trading, and that is TATN, and that is by trading robot trading dot I think this is trading robot trading, and it has only 230 downloads till now. So guys, please make sure that you are going to download this one. It's not needed to be downloaded, just you need to go into your favorite section and you will be able to use this indicator. So guys, if you like this indicator, so please make sure that you must be telling me into the comment box, and I would advise at the last, please trade with the trend. Against the trend, trading is not healthy for your trading, right? So if you will use it with the trend following, then definitely you are going to make money, and that's my opinion. So hopefully guys, I will be back with the next video, and till then, take care, bye bye.